Good morning, my dear students. So today we are starting the revision. Lesson number 1, we will do the revision as I told you yesterday. See, you can keep aside your books. Whenever it is needed, I will tell you to take. And please be in your online, means enable your videos and adjust your cameras. Sometimes I say to show your answer. There are some difficulties are there while doing the revision. We cannot do as per the school, but you have to adjust with this. You can keep some rough copies or pages with you. Necessary pen, pencil, please keep it with you. Sometimes I can say that write and show. Okay, that time you can show it into the camera side. Then it will be visible also. Before starting the revision, see, let me introduce your topographical sheet, which it is getting in your exam time. This is the sheet you are going to get it. I think you can see. It is little lengthy sheet where the map areas are given with the grids, with the easting and the northing. It is giving. On the bottom part of this map, bottom part you can notice there is 1:50,000. That is the normal RF, representative fraction we are using. Side over there, you can see there the linear of the graphical scale also given. In this graphical scale, it is written over there 2 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. On side, 2 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. Other side, 500 meter is equal to 1 centimeter. That is a scale which is taken for this map. That scale only will take, which you have to handle with. This is the exact map which is giving. This one is 45 d var 10. That is also writing here at the last end, left side. 45 d var 10 it is writing here. Same only, some grid references are, grid numbers are changing. 43 S bar 7 or 10 you will be getting. Okay. And many important informations are written over there. Total area. Beginning 15 minutes, you have to read this. Reading means what are necessary for them. Commonly what you know, that is no need to spend much time over there. But some other things, if you cannot remember all the signs and symbols, if you have any doubt, but you don't fully rely on this, if you have doubts are there in any of the symbol, whenever you are finding out any question's answer, you can check over this column. It is called a legend. You studied already. Legends are given there. For example, here are given many signs and symbols. Rods, metal rods are given in different distance. Stone also given over there. Bridges symbol is given there. And ferry symbol, ferry. 4 ferries. We don't studied that one. And the bridges in different ways. Causeways, with the causeways of bridges. And water channels, defined and undefined, it is given. Embankments and roads. It's raining. That is why please adjust with your earphones. Okay. I'm talking loudly only. See, water body is also given in different type. It is given. Okay. And also post office, what we are learning about different types of trees: palm, palmera, plantation, coniferous trees, bamboo trees. Sir, signs will be given. Signs are given here. Signs and symbols are given here. Okay. Post office sign is there. All the signs are given here. You can check over here. If there any confusion is there, means you can check over here. I have noticed that during the pre-board, most of the students are getting beginning itself. You have to ask your invigilator, those who are coming to your class. Okay, some of the teachers doesn't know it is to distribute at the beginning itself. It is to distribute at the beginning itself, and when on geography exam. Okay, and the beginning itself you have to go through this, check over there, and after that you have to check with your first question. 20 questions are there. Check with there. Any relevant is there. You can find out there. Normally, what is the RF of the map extract will ask? That is 1:50 only. It is normally given here. What is the scale? Define a scale. Definition you have to study. Then scale, it is given over here. What is the interval? The contour intervals. It is given here. Vertical interval 20 meter. That is also given here. See, that question normally generally asking in almost all the exam, but students are not writing. If you are mind these things, it is already there. The questions are given already there itself. Not all. Not all. Few questions are given over there. Okay. So that you have to mind this. Such type of sheets are getting. Topographical sheets are getting for you. Okay. Only you have to mind, you have to make sure what is asked the question based on the easting and northing. It is based on that only, or any other sheets are given, provided or not. That is only you have to mind. Okay. Directly we can go for the revision. Is there any problem? I will be giving you 10 minutes. Last 10 minutes will be giving for you, clarifying your doubts. Okay. First of all, some of the important definition you have to write. I think you are having your copies, rough copies. Okay, I will change it to the grid view. Please on your videos. Okay, good. I am not calling your names, those who are not enabled your video because they don't like. That is right. Let them. First of all, what is a fire line? Please write answer. Fire line. Most of you are writing. Those who doesn't know, they think that they lost their 1 mark in exam. Normally, almost all the question paper I found this question. Fire line. Let it be there. Let it be there. Okay, second one. Very simple. With one sentence you can write this. Second one, second question, broken ground. Define a broken ground. Define a broken ground. Anjali Singh Tandri, Subharat Chaudhary, Naitik, Saloni, Arivardhan, Saurav, Nancy Singh, Vedant. See, now they are enabling the videos. Nancy, Kirti, Sachi. On your video, then only I can help you now. Saurav, Vansh, Vidushi Tripathi, Anushka Chaudhary. We will mark it out. Okay. Anupriya, Vajia Kare, Vajia Usta, Gaurav. Please be. Some of you are having network problem, that I can understand. Okay, anyhow. Third one, after broken ground, embankment. Embankment. Please don't see and write. Seeing means there is no use. You have to study, that is right. Embankment. After that, a causeway. Causeway. C-A-U-S-E-W-A-Y. Causeway. So the last one, define, that much only I am giving. Contour, a contour, define a contour.
Good morning, sir. Sir, can you please explain lagoons?
Lagoons now.
Yes.
You are not following what I am saying.
Sir, you are making us write definitions, but I was just confusion in lagoons and backwaters. These two yesterday while reading that.
I told in the beginning, if you have any problem, doubt, I will give you 10 minutes at the end of this period. Follow them, sir.
I'm sorry, sir.
Almost all the subject period, you are your own way, you are moving. Ashi.
Sorry, sir.
I think it is completed now. I will read the answer. Please check yourself. Okay, check yourself. And all 5 answers are correct means you can raise your hands. Okay, then it is good. Keep your pen and check it. First one, it is which one? Fire line. I told you now. Fire line in a simple way you can say this is a clearing made in the forest to prevent the spread of fire. That is enough. And the other one is given in your book. Not that much. It is no needed. Width also given. 5 meter width is there that you can write in your own sentence. But this way you can write. You will get 1 or 2 mark. If it is 2 mark question, you will get full mark. A clearing made in the forest to prevent spread of fire. While explaining time, also I given this definition only. Okay, a clearing made in the forest to prevent the spread of fire. Second one, broken ground. It is found in the arid region where the topsoil gets eroded due to flooding during rainy season. It is uncultivable. Otherwise, you can write that the uncultivable land found in arid region. The uncultivable land found in arid region where the topsoil get eroded due to flooding during rainy season. I think you are writing your own sentence, your own way, but you should mention it is caused due to flooding during the rainy season. Soumya. Yes.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, for broken ground, is it okay to write it is an area where flood made the land unfertile for cultivation?
That is okay, but the problem you are not mentioned over there. It is the arid or desert region, arid, dry region. That is also mentioning good. Okay. Sometimes half mark can be deducted there. That is why it should not happen. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Then, Pradishta.
I have written in an arid region due to flood, the land become unfertile and that uncultivated
That is
area
correct. That is correct. You are correct. You are correct. Okay. Third one, embankment. A bank or mound of cement constructed along a tank or artificial lake to prevent flooding. Once again, I read embankment. A bank or a mound of cement constructed along a tank or artificial lake to prevent flooding. That is called embankment. Okay. Then which one I given? Causeway, no? Causeway is a raised platform or a road across a stream or a river. Got now? It is a raised metal road or a road across a river or a stream or a raised platform. Both road or a platform. Okay. Then last one, contour lines are drawn in brown, joining places of equal height above the sea level. Contours are the imaginary lines drawn in brown, joining places of equal heights above the sea level. How many of you have made it full 5, all 5 correct? Pradishta, Divyanshi, Priya also, Priya Singh, Tandi. Very good, very good. Very good. Please show your copy. Problem is there. Okay. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Pradishta, please show. This side. How many of you is correct? How many answers are correct? How many answers are correct, Pradishta?
No, full answers are correct.
Show it to the camera. Directly show.
Sir, actually I have written with pencil.
Written?
Written with pencil.
No problem. Show it. Show it. Show on the camera. Okay, let it be there. Soumya, how many answers are correct?
Sir, answers are all correct, but in every answer, few important points I have missed.
Okay, no problem, no problem. That is the way of learning. Okay, no problem. Anyhow, others, please mind it. If you cannot answer these questions, then there is a problem. These are the commonly asking questions. Okay, so you have to study these questions. And among that, open scrub also sometimes it is asking. Open scrub, sometimes it is asking. 5 are very important. Open score also you have to study. Some of the question paper I found that contour interval also asked. Define a contour interval also it is asking. Okay. That definition part is our definition, that are the main things it is asking. Now you can take your textbook. You'll do some practical works. Textbook page number 31 you take 30 and 31. Page number 30 and 31. Few general questions are there. I think you have taken. See, in this topo sheet, page number 30, in that topo sheet, there is a settlement called Vahan is there. Vahan. What type of settlement is this? What type of settlement? Hand symbol you know to raise. You can raise your manual hands. How many of you knows? 1, 2. Ansh knows. Ansh knows. Soumya knows. What type of settlement is Vahan? What type of settlement? Ansh.
Sir, nucleated.
Nucleated or cluster. Okay. Gaurav Yadav also saying that a cluster, nucleated or clustered type of settlement it is. What is the reason? Why it is a nucleated settlement?
Because the houses are very close to each other.
Yes. The permanent huts are clustered together. Houses you cannot say. You will not get the marks. You know, but there you have to mind. That is why revision is needed. The permanent huts, you can notice, observe there are permanent huts only. Temporary huts are not there. Permanent means they are nucleated. Permanent huts, they are clustered together. Not only that, you can see there some dispensaries are there. Dispensaries are there. Many post office symbol is there. Different Chhatri houses are there. Okay, all indicate it is a nucleated settlement. Common one, it is common one. Okay, and can you identify any causeway? Another question in the map extract. Can you identify any causeway in the map extract? Yes, Pradishta, Devesh. Others also try. Others, those who are not telling the answer. Pradishta, Devesh, and others. Swadi is there this time. Swadi. Swadi and E. Please tell.
63.
Grid square 63.
33.
33. Yes, good. Causeway is there. It is written over there. Okay. Simple only, but we have to identify. Question is asked, means you have to tell that it is the settlement. Okay, very good. Very good. Sadi, Divyanshi, Ritvik and all. Good.
My name is Satyavati.
Okay, Satyavati. And become old now. That is why. Old age, there is a problem. Okay, Satyavati, good. Very good. Okay, very good. Now, what is the occupation found in the map extract? Occupation. I don't know it is there in the question or not. Questions are given there. Anyhow, that is a good question over here. What is the occupation found in the map extract? A reason also you have to find. Occupation, main occupation. Divyanshi is, Devesh is there. Others is Soumya also there. Others, Ashi, please try. What is the occupation? Reason also. Oswin, can you try? What type of occupation? This much is a very simple question now.
Sir, can you please repeat once again?
What is the occupation found in the map extract? Occupation. What type of occupation we can find in the given map extract area? Ritik.
Agriculture.
Agriculture, why?
Sir, because the land is agricultural and there are so many perennial lines.
There are
Perennial lines.
perennial wells are there. Simple. Most of the areas there are perennial lined wells are there. This is the main irrigation which is getting over this area. And not only that, there is the main areas are it is yellow patches, yellow colored areas are there. Okay, that indicates it is the symbol of agriculture is there. Agriculture sector is there. Okay. Then in grid square 6429, there is 281 is written. What it indicates? In grid square 6429, 281 is written. What it indicates? The number 281. Anybody? Divyanshi is following very well. Aryan knows. Others. Soumya knows. Ansh knows. Others. Oh, good. They are good. Okay, they are trying well. Others. Why Sayyid Muhammad Fahan? Why don't you try? You are listening carefully, no? Abhishek also. Somebody says that Gauri was saying that it is sport height. You are correct. Sport height. Sport you cannot see there, but it is the sport height. Okay, it is the sport height. There itself, the next one, 6329. 6329, 280 is given. One number 280 is there. What it indicates? 280. Soumya knows, Mishti knows. 280. Sachi Gupta. Have you got? 280. What it indicates? Shreyansh Tripathi. Shreyansh. No. See, once again I say, repeat the question. In grid square 6329, 280 is written. What it indicates? Have gone to the next page. That is why first page you are answering. Veera, what is the answer? It is very simple. Veera, I have unmuted you. Yes. Veera is not ready to answer. Please cooperate with me, then only you can study this. Onkar, do you know?
Sir, it is a contour height.
It is the contour line height of, not only you can stop there at the height of 280 meter. This much simple it is. Brown line only. Just we have written its definition also. Imaginary brown line 280 written means it is the contour line which indicates 280 meter from the sea level. Your answer is complete. You will get easily 2 marks over there, 2 or 1 mark over there. Okay. See, you have to do this way. Do this way only. And move to the next page. Page number 32. Page number 32. Come to the page number 32. Please find out the 4-figure grid reference. 4 only this time. That is a 4-figure only. 4-figure grid reference of the temple at Davali. Temple at Davali. Find out the grid reference. Finding after hand symbol you can show. Hand symbol. Temple at Davali. 4 figure. Page number 32 you have to find. Very simple. Why this much time you are taking? 4 figure only you have to find out. Page number 32. There is a temple at Davali. Davli. Anybody seen? Show with your hand symbol. Somebody. Prakhar Srivastava. Your answer is not correct. Not correct. Easting difference it is there. Easting difference is there. Prakhar. I am not saying the answer, but Onkar also you are yes, you are correct. Onkar. Mahi, you are correct. Mahi, you are correct. Others, I think you are seeing 56, 18. 56, 18 is the answer. Okay. Then another question. Identify one broken ground in the given map extract. Broken ground in the given map extract. You no need to test me. Message no need to send. Messages no need to send. Message sending means others will see, they don't find out. Raise your hands and say. Identify one broken ground in the given map sheet. Broken ground. Anybody? Tanusri, trying. Have you got?
No, sir, finding.
Find fast. Identify one broken ground. Got now? Raise your hands, those who got. Grid square, you can find out. Akib Ahmad, please try to find out. Anjali, have you got? Anjali Tiwari, have you got?
Yes, I'm finding. I think 6120.
6120 is correct. Also, 6020 also correct. Okay, both. It is crossing over there. It is crossing over there. That is why. And here, in this map extractor, what type of rainfall it is getting in this area? Name the type of rainfall experiencing in the map extract area. Reason also you have to tell. Reason also you have to tell. Anybody? At a glance, you have to check the map. Raise your hands. Yes, many are there. Many are there. Many are there. I have gone to the next pages. That is why. Many are there. Those who are Nirupama this time. Nirupama.
Yes, sir, seasonal rainfall.
Seasonal. Why?
So due to broken ground.
Due to the broken ground. One more reason.
Sir, open scrub.
Open scrub. See, there is broken ground very less only. 1 or 2 only. Okay, that is why you can give other reasons. Open scrubs are there. Many open scrubs are there. Also, causeways are there. Causeways are there. Dry streams are also there. That is why. Okay, seasonality. Seasonal. Okay. Now, distance, it is short distance only. That is why you can calculate. Next page you can move. Next page. Page number 34. Page number 34. What is the general direction of Khajra from Rampura? Remove your hand symbol. Once again, I will repeat the question. What is the general direction of or compass direction of Khajra from Rampura? Those who got, they can raise your hands. From Rampura. Yes, Divyansh, Deepesh, Ansha, Sasham, Aryan, everybody knows. Others also. Compass direction of Kajara from Rampura. From Rampura it is. Ritvik knows. Anushka knows. Others. Try yourself. So who said it is northeast? Northeast not correct. Northeast is not correct. From yes. From Rampura. Northeast, it is correct. Who said it is? I cannot check all the messages. It's raining very heavily. Heavy rain it is going on here. What about your place? Raining? Too much. Good climate only, good weather only. Take rest after this, okay? Okay, good. So these are the things. See, now remaining 5 to 6 minutes only. That is why we will go for the doubts. This way questions can be asked. Again, if it is getting time, of course, not only in this exam, other exam also we will be doing such a way the revision. If it is in the normal classroom, we can do it very exactly, correctly. Then all your doubts will be clarified over there. Okay, I think you are following the instruction which I told you in the beginning, starting time. You have to do practice all the pages which are given in the top sheet. Page number 30 to 61, I think. Okay, that much area, that much pages you have to cover, then it will be easy. I think Divyanshi and few students are, those who are in the front line, they are doing it. Others also do it, then it will be easy to you. Okay. And now we'll come to the doubts. You can remove your hand symbols. If there are any other doubts are not there, you are with your answers, you can remove your doubts now. You can remove your hand symbols. If you have doubts, you can raise your hands. Now come to Anshi, I think it is there, or she is there. Okay, Anshi, lagoon you are asking. Lagoons are the backwaters area. It is nearby the sea shore area or the coastal area. Lagoons are the surface water source which are existing at the seashore area, coastal areas. They are providing the backwater, which cannot be potable water, which cannot be drinkable water. It is containing the salty water. Lagoons are forming at the mouth of the river, or at the seashore. And she is there. I cannot find out how many students are there. So I think and she is clear now. These are the sources of the surface water source, lagoons. Estuaries. The lagoons are also called the estuaries in Kerala coast and some of the coromandel coastal areas in the eastern side also there are lagoons are there. Lagoons. In Goa, there are lagoons are there. Different types of categories of lagoons are there. I think last year you studied in class 9th. Lagoons or the estuaries. They cannot be drinkable water, but it is a source of water. Surface water source. Okay. Any other question? If you are asking related with this chapter, topographical sheet, then we can go tomorrow to the next one, next chapter. Topograph, any doubts are there means you can ask now. Anything? Let me ask one question. How many of you have completed the revision of first chapter? Sincerely say. Yes, so some are there with the hand symbol. How many of you are completed the revision of first chapter, topographical map? Okay, Deepesh is there. Pradishta, Mishti, a few are there. Few, they are answering also. They are answering also. See, anyhow, till the end of the year, these are there. We have to study. We should study this. That is why finish it all as early as possible. Study, revise well, and finish it out. Okay. Now come to the doubts.
No, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I want to ask that how many types of rainfall is seen in the map, topographical map?
Rainfall we cannot see.
Only seasonal rainfall is not there only, no?
No, this same question you asked earlier also. With the indication of open scrub, causeway, dry stream, dry river, okay, causeways broken down, we are coming to the conclusion that if there is an open scrub is there, means there won't be many more trees and vegetation will not be there. Open scrubs are the meadow areas. That means less rainfall only. Okay, and forests are there. Heavy forest we studied, thick forest we studied, more than 200 centimeter rainfall getting area. There, of course, there will be the heavy rainfall area. Will come if the forest area we are identifying with the green color, green. Then we say that there is a heavy rainfall area. Okay, that way only we can identify with some indication.
Sir, see in the map, page number 32.
52.
Yes, sir. Sir, and no open scrub is given. Open scrub is given. Sir, broken land is also necessary.
See, at a glance, there sand dunes are there. The brown patches, dots.
Yes,
okay, sand dune area, dry area, desert area. Sand dunes are there. Brown color, not full area. Not only that, there are lot of broken grounds are there. Page number 52. At the side of the main river, Belram Nadi and the main river, there are lot of white color. That seems in white color area, there is no cultivation. Cultivation is not there because there are seasonal rainfall only. That is why. Okay.
Thank you,
Then,
sir.
Hello.
Yes, I can.
Sir, please tell what is rocky knobs.
Rocky
knobs.
Rocky knobs are the rocky areas only. The new usage only. It is a revised book, revised topo sheet only. Rocky areas in the midst of the forest are called the rocky knobs. Rocky areas. Okay, that is all. Saksham.
Sir, in the previous question, how is the direction coming northeast?
Northeast from Rampura. Which one I asked? Rampura now. From
Yes,
Rampura, page number 52 itself. Rampura. From Rampura. Rampura is the center. From the center, all the direction we have to see. You know the direction, cardinal directions, all the points. Okay. North, just north, left side there is northeast. Northeast. Kachra is in northeastern side of Rampura. That is why.
Sir, in grid number 3994, it is one more given Kajra only.
Yeah, I asked the settlement. Okay, I asked the settlement only. That is Karja. That is Karja. Read correctly.
Sir, in that Karja only everywhere.
No, settlement only will ask. From one settlement to the another settlement only direction will ask. Otherwise, from one river to the another direction or the flow of the river only will ask. Settlements only ask. That is not a complete settlement. See, for the example only I have given this question. Like that, confusing questions will not give. Here, settlement only I checked. Suddenly, it is not there in the textbook. I have made a question. I have formed a question. That is why. Okay, it is asked. I indicated that Kajra, which settlement 41, 93 only. Is there any two settlements with the same name? It is there means you will be giving the grid square. Then you don't have any confusion. Grid square identification will be given. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then, Shweta.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in page number 32,
Yes.
so grid square 55 and 17.
17.
So that there also it is broken ground now.
That is also broken ground only.
And so grid square 55 and 21.
55, 21. That is also broken ground only. Broken
Okay.
ground only. Okay. Broken
So
ground.
total we have 4 broken ground. So we all for by only broken ground we can consider that there is seasonal rainfall.
Is there broken grounds are there? Many broken grounds are there. Here it is 4 broken grounds found. That is why it is seasonal we can find. Okay, seasonal. But you have to find that the question it will be asking separately. In cultivated area, what type of rainfall it is experiencing, it will ask. Because in that particular topo sheet, other side you see, other side there is green forest regions are there. There it may not be the seasonal rainfall. There it will be the heavy rainfall.
Yes, sir.
Then the question is asking in cultivated area what type of. Otherwise in forest region, otherwise the grid square area will give. Like that only it will ask. Total area, total topo sheet is the same type of rainfall is there. Then only it will be asked generally in the map sheet. Okay, it will ask. Otherwise, separately only it will ask. So that is why we have to read the question correctly. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Clear.
Sir, in grid square 55 and 21, there is seasonal rainfall, that seasonal river.
55. Once again, 55,
21,
55, 21.
that dot.
That is
Seasonal river.
dry river. Dry river. Okay. Seasonal not a dry river. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. You are welcome. I think over. Tomorrow, almost everybody gone. Tomorrow we will revise the next chapter. No problem. You can ask your doubts also. If it is getting time, we will do that revision. Page number, lesson number 3. Important chapter only. This time 3 sets of questions are there based on this chapter. 3 set of questions. Very important chapter. All the exam without this chapter, any question is not there. Question papers are there with this chapter only. Okay. That is why you should study well. You should study well. Some geographical questions you have to give importance. Geographical questions. Geographical reasoning questions. Okay. Do revise. Enough time is there. Next Tuesday only. Next revision class. Don't forget. Okay. Please revise it. Okay. Thank you.